Hey there, and welcome to Patio Productions. After 18 years of helping folks create their perfect poolside paradise, our team has learned a thing or two about making outdoor furniture last. Today, I'm sharing our top tips to help your pool furniture go the distance. For long-lasting poolside outdoor furniture, choosing the right materials is crucial. While traditional wicker might look classic, it's not your best friend poolside. Instead, go for materials that laugh in the face of splashes, like marine-grade stainless steel, composite wood, synthetic wicker, powder-coated aluminum, or grade A teak. Now, here's the secret sauce to making your furniture last. Regular maintenance. It's easier than you think. Give your furniture a quick wipe down after pool time. Prop those cushions up when they're wet, and keep fallen leaves from becoming permanent decorations. So, how do you keep that patio pool furniture looking great all year round? Spring is the time to give everything a full, deep clean and any necessary sealant applications. In summer, keep up with weekly cleanings. For fall, keep foliage from building up and start prepping for winter storage. And speaking of storage, proper winter protection can add years to your furniture's life. Here's a pro tip that most people miss. UV protection is your best friend. Use marine-grade protectant sprays every few months and rotate your furniture to prevent uneven sun exposure. Trust me, your cushions will thank you by staying vibrant way longer. Want to dive deeper into pool furniture care? Check out our comprehensive guide in the description below. Or if you're ready to upgrade your pool furniture game, visit us at patioproductions.com for our complete collection of pool-ready furniture that's built to last. From all of us at Patio Productions, here's to many sunny days ahead with furniture that looks as good as new.